The Nobel Foundation has reportedly invited a Russian ambassador to attend its banquet. On Friday, Sweden's Prime Minister said that he disagreed with the Nobel Foundation inviting the Russian ambassador to this year's Nobel banquet, adding to growing criticism of the decision. Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson issued a written statement. It said, and I quote, "The Nobel Foundation of course decides who they want to invite. But like many others, I was greatly surprised that Russia was being invited. I would not have done it if I were handling invites to an award ceremony, and I understand that it upsets many people in both Sweden and Ukraine," said PM Kristersson. On Thursday, the Nobel Foundation, which organizes the annual Nobel Prize ceremony and banquet in Stockholm, said that it would extend an invitation to all ambassadors of countries that have representation in Sweden or Norway. In 2022, the foundation decided not to invite the Russian and Belarusian ambassadors over the war in Ukraine and the Iranian envoy over the country's crackdown on a wave of protests. The executive director of the Nobel Foundation, Vidar Helgesen, said that it was clear that the world is increasingly divided into spheres where dialogue between those with differing views is being reduced. He said that to counter this tendency, the Nobel Foundation is now broadening its invitations to celebrate and understand the Nobel Prize and the importance of free science, free culture, and free, peaceful societies. Several prominent Swedish politicians, including the leaders of the centre, Green and Left parties, have said that they would boycott the event due to Russia's invitation. The ostentatious gathering is held each year in Stockholm on December 10th when laureates in the fields of medicine, physics, chemistry, literature, and economics receive their awards from King Carl XVI Gustav, followed by a gala banquet for around 1,200 guests. A separate ceremony is also held in Oslo on the same day for the Peace Prize laureate.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.